So this is the Haylou GT1 Pro, not the guy but the earbuds.
Is there just concentration?
And has been part of my everyday carry for a few days now. It is a budget wireless earbuds that only cost you about $25 right now, which makes it one of the cheapest wireless earbuds out there. But does it debunk popular saying that says good quality is never cheap? These and many more you get to know in this video. Hey guys, it's Samuel here. Welcome to my channel. The earbuds are so small and comfortable, but yeah, they feel cheap when you hold them in the hand. They sit comfortably in my ear that I didn't even forget they are there, all thanks to the long stems and comfortable ear tips. There are extra ear tips in the box, so you surely find your fit. And as for the unboxing experience, I have an unboxing video which will be linked in the iCard up above. The earbuds are housed in the plastic charging case which has a matte finish, so it does not even look cheap. It's not so big, even with 800 mAh battery it has to juice up the earbuds, and it can still fit in your gym pocket if you don't mind your pocket looking awkward. It has the dated micro USB port for charging, which I can't really complain considering the price you'll be getting this for. It has a charging indicator which will light up when you open the case. Each of it represents 25% of battery life. And talking about battery, the earbuds are sharp. I listen to music with about 40 to 60% volume, and I have not really had the cost to recharge for my charger because of the extra 800 mAh juice of the case. I only charge these buds in the night, and it do take about 3.5 hours to fully charge both the case and the earbuds in it. It takes so long to charge because there's no fast charging whatsoever in these earbuds, and considering the price again, we can't really complain. I do actually had a problem with my left bud not charging, but I fixed it myself. So if you want me to make a video on that, let me know in the comment section. Sound quality wise, they hold up. The bass is there and they go deep enough into my ear to deliver good sound experience with good highs and mids, and the vocals aren't muddy. Chords are also very clear on this board, even in places I never expected it to be. And as for the media controls, the board has side touch control, so you have to single tap to pause, double tap to skip music, and 3 taps to summon your Google Assistant or any other assistant you are using on your phone, probably Siri. The board does not have volume control, so you have to reach out to your assistant to increase or decrease volume for you, or better still, just get your phone out and do that manually yourself. The side touch control is so cool because you don't have to push the buds in your ear while controlling music, because the buds has no button, and it's something I wasn't expecting to have here. The buds has IPS5 resistance, so it will withstand a little bit of splash and dust. Latency is good for videos, but I won't recommend it for fast gaming if you don't want to get killed before you hear footsteps. They connect automatically to the NAS connected device, so you don't have to always go to the Bluetooth settings. So would I recommend these earbuds? Absolutely yes, go all out and buy it. If you want to see the video on how I fix the left earbud that I've said earlier, let me know in the comment section. Also, let me know how you feel about the Haylou GT1 Pro, and will you be getting it? If you enjoyed this video, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel for more premium tech content. Until you hear from me again, au revoir.